Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking at Irish Max Olympiad 2001. The question is given, find all non-negative real numbers x for which cube root of 13 plus root x plus cube root of 13 minus root x is an integer. So here, as you are going to solve this problem, before solving this problem, pause the video and try it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate, Thank you. So here the question is having some logic, So here find all the non-negative real numbers you have to find. So first of all, what is given? So here n, let us take let n is equal to cube root of 13 plus root x plus cube root of 13 minus root x. So let it be 1 now. So here note that n is greater than cube root of root x plus cube root of minus root x. N is greater than this value. So by taking this cubing on both sides. So first I want to remove this cube. So we are using the formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab of a plus b plus b cube. This is only the logic we are having. So n cube is equal to a cube means here cube root of 13 plus root x whole cube plus 3ab 3 cube root of 13 plus root x into cube root of 13 minus root x bracket. Here AB means you can write n plus cube root of 13 minus root x whole cube. So if you solve this, here cube root and cube will can remove. N cube is equal to 13 plus root x plus 3 into cube root of 13 plus root x into 13 minus root x plus cube and cube root cancel 13 minus root x. Here n is there. I forgot to write n. So n is there here plus 13 minus root x. So plus 13 minus root x. So here plus root x minus root x cancel. N cube is equal to 26 plus 3 cube root of 169 minus x whole bracket n. So you can write here n cube minus 26 is equal to 3 cube root of 169 minus x into n. So here I just this value will take so n cube minus 26 by 3n is equal to cube root of 169 minus x. So again cubing on both sides. So what will get here? N cube minus 26 by n 3n whole cube is equal to cube root of 169 minus x whole cube. Cube root cancel here. So now x is equal to 169 minus n cube minus 26 by 3n whole cube. So here by trial and error, so it is easy to see that n greater than or equal to 5, then x value is negative. So therefore n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So he is asking non-negative real numbers. Suppose if you take n is equal to 1, then x is equal to 169 minus of 1 minus 26 by 3 whole cube. So this will get 169 minus 15,625. Here minus into minus will get plus by 27. So if you multiply this 4 5 4 5 6 3 plus 15625 by 27. So this value will be 20188 by 27. So you are getting 747 19 by 27. This is the value when n equal to 1. If n is equal to 2, so here some time factor is there, that's why we are telling just you can solve this. X equal to 169 minus 8 minus 26 by 6 whole cube. So here 169 minus into minus will get plus 5832 by 216. If you cancel 27 by 27 will go. That implies x is equal to 196. 169 plus 27 you will get 196. If n is equal to 3, then x value is 169 minus 27 minus 26 by 9 whole cube. So 169 minus 1 by 729, that is equal to 123,201 by minus 1 by 729. So here 123,200 by 729. If you write this in mixed fraction, so it will cancel 3 table. So 168 by 169 will get. If n is equal to 4, this is the last one. If n is equal to 4, x equal to 169 minus 64 minus 26 by 12 whole cube. So this will be 169 minus 5481872 by 1728. It will go here 6859 by 216. So if you take the LCM here, if you take the LCM, you will get 36504 minus 6859 by 216. That will get 29645 by 216. That is 13753 by 216. So these are the four values of x. One is 74719 by 27. Another one is 196. Third one is 168 by 169. And fourth one is 137 53 by 216. So I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.